Morning, everyone. Today I'm glad to go with you with the story of a seagull and the cat who taught her to fly, with chapter 5, In Search of Advice. And now I am reading aloud one of the favorite paragraph, telling us about one of the favorite character, the name the advisor of Joba. His name is Connor. Connor. Let's start. The Connor's age was a bit of a mystery. Some said he was as old as the restaurant he called home. Others maintained that he was even older, but his age didn't matter, because everyone remembered that as a youth he had been known as the national Connor, and that he possessed a strange talent for giving advice to cats who had problems. Although the Connor never actually solved any conflict, his counsel alone was comforting, both for his age and for his talents. The Connor was the lead authority among the port cats. Secretariat came back at the trot. Follow me. Uh, the colonel gonna see you. Not out the norm, he mewed. Jobart followed him, treading through table and chair legs. He had headed toward the door of the wide cellar. They bounded down the steps of the narrow stairway, and at the bottom found the colonel, tall like flashbulb, drinking the corks of some bottle of champagne. Poca miseria. The rats have through the course of the best champagne in the house. Choba, caro amigo, the colonel greeted his dear friend. Just like Secretario, the colonel liked to show off a little in Italian himself. Please forgive me for bothering you just when you are busy at work, but I have a serious problem and I need your advice. Choba apologized.